Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see about how to use custom view modes in Drupal. So in custom view modes in Drupal, it's a bit straightforward, not like form modes. And view modes, you can create new view mode and you can configure it in your view when you want to render as a content. But today I am going to show you how you can use it in the custom module. Okay. So first you have to go to display modes, view modes, add new view mode. And in the content, I'm going to add a new view mode, article view, and save it. Now the view mode is created. Next, you have to go to the structure content type article, manage display. And here you have to enable it. Enable the article view mode and save it. Once that is done, go to article view. And here you can configure however you want to display this particular view mode. So we'll do that next. Next, what you have to do in the custom module, I created a custom module. So here you can see it has info files and then routing where I'm going to display my custom entity, not custom entity, node entity in custom view mode. So here I'm just calling a controller. That's it. And then src in the controller in the view function, if you see. So I'm not using dependency injection in all my custom module, whatever I have in the Git. So if you're using, please use dependency injection here. Okay. And then next here, I'm using the entity type manager service to get the view builder. So once I get the view builder for the node, then I'm passing the view mode and then I'm rendering here. So here you have to pass the view mode which you created, article view. And then next, if you go to links.task.yml, so as like the previous module which we have seen for form modes, here also I'm creating new tab in the node page. Okay. And then now go to the home. So this is the content when you click on it and the module has to be enabled. View mode, custom view mode, install it. Now it is enabled when you go and refresh here. So you can see there is a new tab called article view. And here you can see the content is getting displayed, whatever configured. So let me remove the admin path. So refresh, let it get refreshed. We'll go here and remove some fields and check whether it's getting affected or not. Comment, volume, image also. So now it is saved. Now refresh here. So here you can see now the image is not getting displayed and also the comment is not getting displayed. So this is how you have to use custom view modes in Drupal. And that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.